Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so troubleshooting isn't wasted. First, make sure airplane mode is off and the laptop Wi-Fi toggle is enabled. This stops simple blocks. Then power cycle the router and modem, unplug, wait 60 to 90 seconds, then plug back in because many transient issues clear on reboot. Finally, inspect any physical Wi-Fi switch or FN key on the laptop. If it's off, enable it, and confirm the SSID you plan to join is visible. Once done with basics, forget the network and reconnect so credentials and cache settings reset. This resolves many authentication or IP conflicts. Next, run the operating system's network troubleshooter and open Device Manager to ensure the wireless adapter shows enabled and driver status is up to date. If problems persist, inspect IP settings. Prefer DHCP for most users, but if using a static IP, double-check address, gateway, and DNS entries so they match your network plan. For final steps, update the wireless driver from the laptop maker, or roll it back if the issue began after an update, because driver mismatches cause instability. Then reset the network stack, flush DNS, release and renew IP, and reset TCP/IP to clear corrupt settings. Test connectivity with another device on the same network, and if possible, try a USB Wi-Fi dongle to determine if the laptop's radio is failing. If it still fails, reboot into safe mode with networking and repeat. This helps isolate software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.